majority of people in the world are right-handed. Because of this, left-handed people can encounter many challenges living in a mostly right-handed world. This book shows some of those challenges. Which hand do you write with? Do you know anybody who is left-handed? Before we begin, let's go over some sight words.
Here are some words that appear frequently in this book. They are live, they, and what. We are going to say each word 3 times. My turn, live, your turn. My turn, live, say it. My turn, live, your turn. My turn, they, say it. My turn, they, your turn. My turn, they, say it. My turn, what, your turn. My turn, what, say it. My turn, what, your turn. Remember, practicing sight words helps us improve fluency.
We also have some new vocabulary words in the book, Being a Leftie. We are going to be breaking these words apart, looking for chunks we know, blending the chunks together, saying it faster, and making the whole word. I will do some of them with you, and after that, it's your turn to complete the rest on your own.
In this book, there are some new and tricky words. We know we can read through these words by looking for chunks we know, saying each sound slowly, then saying the sounds faster and faster until we read through the whole word and think, does that make sense? Let's try an example. The first chunk that I see is sp. Sp. SP is a letter blend I know. The next chunk that I see is al. Al is a letter blend in other words I know, like pal, gal, and sal. The middle 2 letters, I need to look at the I. Is there another vowel in this word that might change the sound of I? If you pointed to A, you're right. In this word, the A makes the I say its name instead of the sound I. Sp, I, ral. Sp, I, ral. If I put the word together, spiral. Spiral is a word I'm going to see in the book, Being a Leftie. Let's try another one. When I look at this word, the first chunk that stands out is book. Book is a word I know because book is a sight word. If I look at the first part of the word, I'm going to sound this out with the letter sounds I know. N, a, t, e. N, a, t, e. Does n, a, t, e sound right? If I look at this word, I know that the E is going to make the O say itself. Instead of sounding like ah, O would say O. N, o, t, n, o, t. N, oat, book. Does that make sense? In this story, you will be looking at more compound and complex words. I want you to try the next ones on your own. Pause the video to sound these words out on your own. Just for fun, I'm going to practice writing these words with my left hand.
It's time to read our interesting book that informed me about the lives of left-handed people. Now we are going to be mining for evidence. Remember, mining for evidence is when we find the answer in the book. We go to the correct page number so we know where in the story the information is. Remember, book, page number, and where.
What causes lefties to search for ways to make things easier? What is the author's purpose for writing this book? How would life be different for righties if they lived in a mostly left-handed world? Suppose specialized materials weren't available for lefties. How would their lives be different? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We're going to say each word 3 times, then we will tap them out, and finally you are going to need your paper and pencil to write them down. I'll do the first one with you, and the next 2 are on you. Our first word is club. Club. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Club. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word club. Scholars, get your tappers ready. We're ready. Club. Cl-a-b. Cl-a-b. Club. Club. Let's spell the word club together. Club. Cl. That sounds like a letter blend. Which letter blend do you think sounds like cl? If you said C-L, you are correct. Cl. Which letter sounds like U. U is a vowel that makes the sound. Club. B. Which letter sounds like B? If you said B, you are correct. The word club ends with the letter B. Cl-a-b. Club. Our next word is the word wish. Wish. Say it. Your turn. One last time. Wish. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word wish. W-ish. W-ish. Wish. Use your paper and pencil and pause the video to write down the word wish. Our last word is the word ramp. Ramp. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Ramp. This time, I want you to say the sounds as we tap them out together. Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write down the word ramp. Students, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow your brain. I love reading with you. I'll see you next time.